Penalty both team. First throw, may basay. Pasas po. Second throw. 2 by Kuwasa. Number 15. Number 15. 2 points. By number 23, Vergara. 41. 36. 1 minute 10 seconds. Rosas. 12 seconds to shoot. Rosas, give to Calangwas from deep. No good. Rebound by number 15. Vergara, give to Royo. Royo, return to number 15. 2 points. By number 15. 55 seconds. Rosas, give to Madriaga. Madriaga. Hinaharas. Madriaga. No good. Rebound by number 15. Intercept. Calangwas from deep. No good. 36 seconds. 36 seconds.
Wala naman eh.
43, 36. 43, 36. 7-point lead by blue team. 30 seconds. Rosas. 25 seconds. Give to Madriaga. Madriaga. Give to Calangwas. Step back from 3. No good. 15 seconds. Rosas. Give to the ball. Give to Dennis. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Give to number 15. Nandito si Boss O. Sino na? Sino ba? Third quarter po. Official score. 43-36 in favor of blue team. Okay, third quarter na po tayo. Back to the ball game. Umiinit po ang laban po natin. Umiinit sa malamig. Red tayo sa red. Red. Okay, Madriaga, Victor Rosas. Return to Madriaga. Victor Calangwas. Bautista. Victor Royo. Royo, all the way. This round, rebound by Calangwas. Rosas. Give the ball. Rosas. Binigay. Intercept. Hey.
Tayo.
Rosas. Binigay kay Rayo. Kaya ito na. Oy! Tampo nila. Sige. Dito Calagwas, libro ball, dito down, dito Fidel, Rosas, good, rebound, nakuha ni Dennis Cole, tumatakbo na po ang mga blue, ito na po, Dennis, Victor Royo, binigay, kirap na, kalma lang daw po, 12 seconds to shoot, ito Dennis, 5, Dennis, dito Vergara, jumper, pasok po, 45-36. Wow, dito Rosas. Rosas.
Uli.
Uy, natapos ang sabaw.
Jordan Tagalog yun to, hindi si Michael Jordan. Jordan Tagalog yun eh.
Royo. Give to number 23. Give to Bautista. Give to Miguel. Okay, 15 seconds to shoot. Vergara. 10. Royo. Bautista. 2 points for Bautista.
Kababayan ko yun!
47-36. 11-point lead for Blue Team. Down. Give to Calagwas. From deep. Bang! Bumawi. Binawi ka agad yung 3 points na kanina. Dennis, 15 seconds to shoot. Ay, matapit na ako ni Rosas. Tumatakbo na po ang team. Calagwas! Uy! Pero may pito po ang ating officials. Foul, number 9. It's your second personal foul. First team foul, 2 free throw. Awarded to Calagwas. First one, pasok po. Second throw. Pasok pa rin po, walang kakaba-kaba. Official score, 47-41. Nabit si kayo namin. That's it. Lucky. Roya, give to number 23. 2 points. For number 23. Vergara. 49-41. 8-point lead by Blue Team. Madriaga, give to down. 12 seconds to shoot. Rosas, give to Calagwas. From deep, go to rebound. Oh, rebound. Ito na po si Dennis. Collins, give to number 15. 6 minutes, third quarter. Royo, give to Bautista. 12 seconds. Royo, give to Dennis. 6. Royo! Nagsosa na wala. Nakawikuasay. Bigyan. Bautista! But there's a whistle. Natamaan ata. Foul. Kwasay. It's your second personal foul. Ay, second team foul. Wala. 49-41. 8-point lead the Blue Team.
Shoot mo daw, may kiss ka daw kay Gani pagka-shoot.
Second throw. Ay, may kiss ka na. May kiss ka na. May kiss. Calaguas against. Go. Dennis. Give to number 15. Number 15. Binigay sa ilalim. Bautista. 10 seconds to shoot. Royo. Give to Collins. 5. Collins. Uy! Nilapit po. 52. 41. 11 point lead for blue team. Back. Calaguas again! Bang! 3 points by number 23, Calaguas. Royo, ibig the ball. So ilalim, binigay kay Vergara. Natapunan na ako ni Bao. Madriaga. Eto na. Madriaga. Binigay kay Rosas. Rosas. Fade away. No good. Rebound by Madriaga. 2 points by Madriaga. 52-46. 6-point lead by blue team. Royo. Give to Vergara. 15 seconds to shoot. Royo. Give to Bautista. Bautista. Give to Royo. 10 seconds. Vergara. Vergara. Give to Bautista. Wala. Nako ni Kwasay. Kwasay. Bigyan kay Rosas. Nawala na! Pero natapo.